Are you struggling to find a way to mount your SS5s to your roof rack? Or holding off on getting an SS5 CrossLink Lightbar because you'll need custom brackets for it? Well, that struggle ends here. You've probably seen our SS5 CrossLink Lightbars mounted on several Prinsu and Sherpa roof racks before. However, until now, overlanders have been left having to remove the wind deflector or find a way to custom mount them to their racks. I'm CJ with Diode Dynamics, and we're excited to introduce two new offerings for mounting our SS5 CrossLink Lightbars to your Prinsu or Sherpa roof rack. Our Prinsu and Sherpa roof rack brackets are made of a powder-coated stainless steel, ensuring the best quality and durability for all your adventures, and allow you to mount a 6 or 7 pod CrossLink Lightbar to your roof rack without having to remove the wind deflector or make any other modifications. Unlike other kits on the market, our kit includes additional support brackets for proper load distribution and maintains the wind deflector, meaning you won't have to worry about how safely they're mounted or added wind noise. So long as your Prinsu roof rack has a cutout for a 40-inch light bar, or as long as your Sherpa roof rack has the half-height wind deflector, you can install your preference of either the 6-pod CrossLink or a 7-pod CrossLink light bar. These brackets were designed and tested right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and with the included support brackets, you're guaranteed superior stabilization and load distribution. And of course, they're backed by an 8-year warranty, just like the rest of our Stage Series lineup. If you're looking to pick up an SS5 CrossLink Lightbar or our new brackets for your Prinsu or Sherpa roof rack, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.